Welcome to the section of how to create and how to install the Shopify. So let's go to the shopify.com. So this is the URL of Shopify. As you see, e-commerce platform made for you, whether you sell online, on social media, in store, or out of the trunk of your car. Shopify has you covered. So this issues about Shopify, your brand, your way. You have complete control over the look and feel of your online store, and instant access to some of the best looking free theme the industry has to offer. Finally, a gorgeous store of your own that reflect the personality of your business. So this is the mission, your mission control. Fully customize your online store, add new sales channels in seconds, manage unlimited products and inventory, fulfill orders in a single step, track sales and growth trends. So this is the main site of Shopify. To start creating your account, you have to go to Get Started. Click here, follow up with me. So here, start your free 14 days trial of Shopify. So at Shopify, as I mentioned before, the situation is different than ABcours or Magento or WooCommerce or OzCommerce or other platforms. So Shopify is a paid version. Also, you will pay monthly with Shopify. You don't need to buy a new hosting package to build your e-commerce store, because of Shopify provide you the hosting package, provide you the SSL secure secret layer, provide you the all management of the safety for your store. So you don't need to go away to buy some hosting package 1 gig, 2 gigabyte or other. At the Shopify, you will pay monthly. You have to choose your package, your plan. Also, Shopify provides you 14 days as trial. So let's try now. Follow up with me. I hope that you will follow me at each step. Small site as example. Small site CMS at Gmail. Some email. You have to add whatever you want here. Email address, some password. Your store name. You have to choose your store name. Alabama. Okay. Alabama store. Okay. You have to choose the store name available. Okay. Alabama store. It's available. Okay. This store appears to be available. Click here to create your store. Be patient to see the full settings. Okay. Sit tight. We're creating your store. 3 of 3 applied. Success. Your store has been done. Okay. Now we have to add more information. Add an address. Set up currencies and tax rates. So now I'm gonna be add my name. Okay. Here's my name. Last name. Also street address. Okay, it's optional. Let's scroll down. City. Jerusalem 970. Okay. Countries. Okay, scroll down now. Phone number 00. Okay, this is my number. Business or personal website. If you have an existence website, you have to add business or personal website. It's an optional. So at this point, we will leave this box blank. So let's click here to the next. Then you see, tell us a little about yourself. Are these settings? Please choose. I'm selling just not online. I sell with a different system. I'm not selling a product yet. I'm just playing around. Okay, you have to choose one of these. I sell with a different system. Okay, that's all. Which system do you use the most? You have to choose BigCommerce, eBay, GoDaddy, Magento, Amazon, WooCommerce, others. Okay, then I'm going to choose some of these platforms. How much? Oh, sorry. Let's come back. How much revenue does your business currently make in a year? We have to choose some number as example. Are you setting up a store for a client? Yes or no? You have to choose yes or no. It does not matter if you check or uncheck. Then click here to enter my store. Click here to enter my store. Here you go. That's all. Succeed. So now after these steps, we arrived to the store of alabama-store.myshopify.com. So now we finished from settings or creating a new account for setup Shopify. That's all. See you in next sections to discuss more about products, orders, customization, customers, reports, online store, themes. That's all. See you. Goodbye.